Okay, so we're going to be working on a circular single crochet swatch, and that is what this is. Okay, so we're going to be working in the round. We're still going to be using the single crochet stitch, but some of the things you're going to need, of course, is your yarn, your 5mm crochet needle. You don't need a plastic needle for this project. I just use it to be able to count more accurately. And you're going to need some markers to mark where your last stitch is every time you go around in a circle. Now, yeah, you can get something nice like this, which looks like a plastic safety pin, which, you know, you go ahead and wherever your last stitch is, you can just go ahead and hook it on there and clip it. But you can also use something around the house like old earrings or paper clips. These paper clips work really nice. What I do is I take the paper clip and I open up the outside a little bit, and then I take that inside and I close it in on itself, so that way it doesn't really catch and lock into the stitch. So I have something like this, and what happens is you can come in here and you can go ahead, and once you hook it in, I would say turn it again until you have it into the small section, and like that it doesn't come off, and you mark down where you need to do the next stitch from the first stitch, and I'll explain more about that later. Okay, so let's begin.